This is Seraphorm, Activate Your Mind Daily. So we're going to be doing tasks that will activate our minds. Know a fact. How much does a blue whale weigh? 150 tons, I know that. Click that. Oh, that's one task completed. Solve a maze. So here you're going to have to find your way through a maze by dragging your cursor. And like so, all the way through. So I'm going to make sure that I stay within lines and follow it properly so that I can get through the maze. And I finished. Alright, that's my second task completed. Now I'm going to catch a star. So, oh, I slipped up. I still have 2 lives. So I'm going to continue catching the star until I have 10 lives. Okay, that was my third task completed. So now that I've completed 3 tasks, I've simulated my brain for the day, and I can return home.